Hey, good morning. Don't you love waking up and having a cup of coffee? How would you like to wake up and have a cup of coffee with this type of view? Let me tell you a little bit about this great house located near 21 in Scheonherr. Ranch style home, walkout basement, over 4,600 square foot of living space, 3 full bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2 half baths, first floor laundry, ranch style, so everything's on that main level. So whether you're looking to upsize or downsize, you're going to want to stick around and check this property out.